Chicago ComputerLand is best iPad repair in Chicago. We can help with any repair for either the original iPad or the recent iPad mini models. We offer fast, safe and reliable repairs. We specialize in display repairs and replacing the LCD screen, digitizer and all internal components. Your iPad will be repaired by our highly trained and experienced team repair technicians. We only use the highest quality repair parts. Call now to have an appointment scheduled for your iPad to work for you again. Chicago ComputerLand can help restore your iPad today. Call now. 773-281-4600. Visit our website, chicagocomputerland.com.